Now class 4th A. Class 4th A. Fourth A. GSC 4/12/2020. So we are solving, we are studying worksheet 5th, lesson 5th, reproduction in animals. Lesson 5th, reproduction in animals. Reproduction in animals. And in this lesson, worksheet 5th. Worksheet 5th and A. Fill in the blanks. A. Fill in the blanks. Fill the blanks. So first, animals such as dash 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 lay eggs. So animals such as birds. So first you have to fill as the birds, amphibians, amphibians, and insects. And insects lay eggs. And insects lay eggs. And it is written in your book, so no need of writing here. Next, dash 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 give birth to young ones. So second, mammals. Mammals give birth to young ones. Now next, third, albumin protects the embryo and gives water to it. So here you have to write albumins. Here you have to write albumin. Third, albumin protects the embryo and gives water to it. Now next, fourth, the larva of a cockroach is known as nymph. So fourth, you have to write nymph. Fourth, you have to write nymph. And fifth, now see the fifth. The tailed aquatic larva of a frog is known as tadpole. 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 So this is the fill in the blanks. Once again you listen. So, first, mammals such as birds, amphibians, and insects lay eggs. Now, second, mammals give birth to young ones, and third, albumin protects the embryo and gives water to it, and fourth, the larva of a cockroach is known as nymph, and sixth, the tailed aquatic larva of a frog is known as tadpole. So now next we have to see tick the right answer. Now next we have to see the tick the right answers. Now B. What is B? Tick the right answer. Now B. Tick the right answer. Tick the right answer. So first, you see the first. The embryo in the egg develops into a. Three options are given: chick, yolk, and pupa. So here chick is the correct option. So first chick. First chick. And second, you see albumin contains a large amount of. Three options are there: vitamin, protein, and fat. So here protein will be correct option. So here second you can write protein. Now third, the process of shedding the old skin is called. Three options are there: life cycle, hatching, and molting. So molting will be correct option. And fourth, in a cockroach life cycle, there are three options are there: two stages, three stages, and four stages. So here in a cockroach life cycle there are three stages. These are egg, larva, and the adult stage. So here three stages. In a cockroach life cycle there are three stages. There are three stages. And fifth, the larva of a butterfly is called. Three options are given: maggot, pupa, and nymph. So here maggot is the correct option. Maggot. Now once again you see first the embryo in the egg develops into first. Three options are there: chick, yolk, and pupa. So chick is the correct answer. And second, the albumin contains a large amount of. Three options are there: vitamin, protein, and the fats. So here second, protein the correct option. Now third, the process of shedding the old skin is called. Three options are life cycle, hatching, and molting. So molting is the correct option written here. And fourth, in a cockroach life cycle, there are three options are there: 2 stages, 3 stages, and 4 stages. So 3 stages is correct option. And now fifth you see, the larva of a housefly is called, 3 options are there, maggot, pupa and nymph. So here maggot is the correct option. Now we can see this C, we can write C here. We can write C here. What is C? Right? T for true and F for false. So here write T for true and F for false. So we have to see the statement. So first, mammals look after their grandchildren also. Mammals look after their grandchildren also, as it is seen as in case of the human beings. So here this first option is true. First option is true. Now next, the larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Yes, it is true. Second is also true. And now third you see. Third, the tadpoles are similar to their adults. No, it is false because tadpoles are aquatic, but adults may live in the water as well as on the land. Tadpoles are herbivorous while adults are the carnivorous. Tadpoles have the tail but adults do not have the tail. And the tadpoles have gills but adult has no gills. So in this way, differences between the tadpoles and the adults. So third, it is the tadpoles are similar to the adults. No, it is false. And fourth, where is the fourth? The yellow part is the yellow part in the middle of the egg is called yolk. Yes, it is true. It is called yolk. That is true. And fifth, you see the fifth. All animals reproduce in the same way. No. All animals do not reproduce in the similar way. So in this way, so that's for today. Next day we will solve the answer the following. Thank you. That's for today.